Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Ami Forex, and I'm always excited to come your way with my analysis of the market that I'm looking to trade and some pairs for the week. And on our screen this evening is the chart of Gbp USD. And last week on the 4th, I mentioned that I'm anticipating the price was going to drop, and if you check the weekly candle, you see this huge engulfing candle. Although at this point there was nothing indicating the price was going to fall, but like I mentioned that on the higher time frame we were bearish, and looking at where price was, it was at the fib level of a 61.8% region, and based on that I anticipated that price was going to drop, and price did exactly as we predicted. And even in the course of the week, I think I did a review showing that price was actually dropping as we predicted. With this huge bearish engulfer that has been formed, I still anticipate that price is going to continue dropping. Pardon me if you can hear noise at my background. Where I am is a little bit noisy, so forgive me. I'm not at the office. Today's Sunday and I'm in the house. You know, sometimes the neighborhood could be a little noisy, but pardon me. So with this huge engulfer, I'm still anticipating the price is going to go down. You see this number, it's just a minor zone that I don't think will pose a little bit of too much of a trouble, although it has rejected price, but I'm thinking that price will break it, retest it, and then come way back. Honestly, my main target is this zone, 1.21028 region. But you know, price will not just come straight. It's going to take some time for price to get there. So this is my main target. And then if possible, I'm seeing price even forming a new low. Yes, so let's go down to the daily time frame. We can also see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole of this last week, price kept coming down. Yeah, so how am I looking to trade this market? I'm anticipating that maybe Monday and Tuesday, we will see, on Monday or something, or the first 2, 3 candles, we may see a little bit of a pullback, and then from there, price will start dropping. So I'm anticipating that price will pull back to test this region, this level, and then drop. Or possibly price will break this minor zone, retest it, and continue. We don't know what price will do exactly, but we'll follow price action. Why am I anticipating that price will come here? If you take your fib and you pull it from the swing high to the swing low, you see that this zone is around the 50% region. And that's why I'm anticipating the price will probably pull back to that zone and then continue with it downtrend. But like I said, we can't tell exactly what price will do. We can only make projections and predictions. But I strongly believe, based on the weekly bearish engulfer that was formed, the price will continue going down. So that is what I am actually anticipating. So you see this long week rejection at that region on the 4 hours chart, and that is why I think the price will pull back. But like I always say, you can't tell price what to do. It does what you say. If you look, you see that I'm looking at 2 levels. Either price will come here and will short, looking at 1:5.28 risk to reward, or price will come here and maybe 2.95 risk to reward ratio. So that is what I'm anticipating for GU. Let's look at another pair that I'm actually looking at. I think NZDJPY. Yeah, NZDJPY is also another pair that I'm looking at. On the weekly, we are bullish. Yeah, we are still bullish on the weekly. Based on how I look at market structure, yeah, we are bullish. Somebody will say we are bearish when they take this place to be the last low, but for me, this is my last low. So we are bearish. We are bullish on the weekly, but we are bearish on the daily. Yeah, we formed a new lower low, and we're also bearish on the 4 hours. And for me, if I have 2 time frame in sync, I trade in that direction. So on these, I'm going to be looking at short, and since the daily and the weekly, the daily and the 4 hours are all pointing downwards. Yeah, so I'm bearish on NZDJPY, but I'm anticipating a retest of this zone. We broke it, and I feel price is likely going to retest this before it drops. Yeah, so there is not much to say on NZD USD. It's pretty straightforward. Although I miss this movement. I missed this movement. I saw it somewhere here. I saw it somewhere here, but I wasn't too sure it was going to sell. So I actually overlooked it, and we missed out. But we don't chase price. There are always opportunities in the market. I don't trade just one pair. I look at where I find opportunities and trade, because my strategy works with all kinds of markets. Yeah, so that is that for NZD JPY. Let's look at AUD JPY. It's also pretty much the same. The weekly is bullish. The weekly is bullish. And look at these huge bearish candle that was formed on the weekly. This is an indicative that price, yeah, will really, although we see this long wick rejection, but I think that this week price will feel this week. Yes, price definitely going to feel this week. There are a lot of liquidity down here, so I'm seeing price coming down to feel this. So what I'm anticipating, break, retest. That is all I do. Break and retest. It's that simple with market structure. Yeah, because we always need to follow the direction of the market. So I think that I'm anticipating that price will either test this zone. Yeah, test this zone. It broke a test anyway, but with the long wick that we saw on the weekly, I'm anticipating a deeper pullback. But if I get a bearish price action at this zone, then I'm going to short. Yeah, but I'm more convinced that price is likely going to break this and come and retest this zone before it comes down. Let's do our fib from swing high to swing low. Yeah, okay. We are currently around the 50% and 61.8 region. Yeah, so let's see what price action will do. We cannot be static in our decision. We just will have to follow price action. So if we get any bearish price action around this place, maybe a little push up, and probably a 4-hour engulfer or 2 hours bearish engulfer, or even an hour bearish engulfer, we will get into the market and sell. I think there are more pairs but I don't want this video to be long. I don't want to make the video too long, but all that I can say is that this week I'm going to be bearish on probably all the yen pairs, because the yen is showing some strength. The yen is showing some strength. So I'm going to be looking at them and see. If you watch the 1 hour, you see that price has started forming smaller candles, telling you that this zone probably is going to hold and price is just going to drop. But all the same, we follow price action. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. If you are watching this for the first time, kindly subscribe. If you find value, subscribe and press the bell notification so that anytime I upload content like this, you'll be among the first to see it and to watch. I upload weekly content, analyzing the market and things like that. I also have a free Telegram channel where we share chart analysis. We do more chart analysis, but few signals, because I believe that people should be able to look at the chart and then take decision based on that. We do not just post signals. No, we don't do that. We actually give chart analysis and sometimes few signals. But even if we give a signal, it's always going to come with chart analysis. Thank you once again for spending time to watch this video. Until I come your way again next time, may the market favor us.